Hello. I wanted to do a hand review. I know I've done this already once before, but I want to do it again. And the more you hear this, the better it is. So I'm going to turn here now to my hand, my beautiful hand that I drew, and follow along with me. So what we want to do is learn the bones of the wrist, right? The carpals. So I tried to draw them here for you. Remember that you're looking at them in rows. And then this is the cheesy mnemonic, right? That goes like this. Some lovers try positions that they can't handle. Okay? And that's a really helpful mnemonic. Every single anatomy student in the world knows that mnemonic. And it's going to help you then if you know the particular order. And the particular order is you're going more proximally, right? And you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back to here. This is going to be 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So if we're starting here with the S, it's going to be scaphoid, scaphoid, lunate. Oh, you see my little guy up here. Triquetrum. And then on the top of the triquetrum, this sort of one on top of the other, is going to be the pisiform. I'm going to put a line there because we did row 1. So once you've finished with row 1, then you're going to have to remember to go back to where you started, which is at the base of the thumb to go to 5. Okay? And now we have 2 T's, which could be tricky. So how are you going to remember which is which? So you know that at the base of the thumb is the trapezium, because it rhymes. So that's going to be trapezium. And the next one is the trapezoid. And C then, can't handle. Here is capitate. Capitate and hamate. And hamate is kind of like a hammer, and it's got its little sort of hook like a hammer. So those are, again, the bones of the hand. So now you've seen it. I showed it to you sort of flat, two-dimensionally. This is flat again, but hopefully different ways of seeing it. And all you have to do is just go over it and over it again. So on a test, I would highlight one of these and say, name the bone. Okay, so even if you have to go through all of them to find out what it is, that's okay. You can do it that way. Okay, so that's the end of my super mini little recording that has to do with the hand. I'm going to click myself off here.